Hey, this is Daryl Smith, and welcome to today's weekly marketing tips. Today we're going to be talking about the 4 essential elements of a lead capture page. This is Daryl Smith, and today we're going to be talking about the 4 essential elements of a lead capture page. Now, a lead capture page is an essential tool for building your email list. And if you want access to done-for-you lead capture pages, check the link in the description below. And also, like this video, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel. Now, an email list is an essential element of any business. This is true because it is a customer list that you own as a business owner. Building an asset on any platform like Facebook friends or people who are fans of your business page, followers on Instagram or Twitter, or YouTube followers is an important part of your business. But no matter how large a following you have on social media, it does not matter because you do not own the platform. You can be locked out of any of these platforms at any time for any reason. So all your hard work in building goodwill on these platforms will not matter when your access to the platform has been taken away. So an email list you will always have control of and be able to reach out to your subscribers on the list whenever you want to. So in order to build your list, a well-constructed lead capture page is important. A lead capture page is a page that you use exclusively for the purpose of getting people to subscribe to your email list. They subscribe simply because they want what you have to offer. Now, this page is dedicated to one particular offer, and in exchange for that offer, your prospect gives you their contact information, which would include their email address. So there are 4 essential elements to any highly effective capture page. Now, the first element is your offer or lead magnet. What lead magnet will you use to get your prospects to subscribe? A lead magnet is a piece of information that your prospect wants and is willing to exchange his or her email for. The lead magnet can be a PDF, a checklist, audio, ebook, or any other content that conveys the information. Now, the important thing is that the information must be relevant to your target audience. And it is important that your leads you are capturing make up your target audience. And who is your target audience? Well, of course, it's who can best use your product or service. So your lead magnet should contain information relating to your target market's biggest struggles. What are their pain points? Now, for example, if your product relates to weight loss, you would offer a lead magnet that people who need to and want to lose weight can use, like 5 ways to lose weight without dieting. And by using this lead magnet, you will build a list that contains your target audience of people who want to lose weight. Your lead magnet should offer useful information, be quick and easy to understand and digest. PDFs and checklists are the best because people can print them out and hold them in their hands. And remember that people have short attention spans, so a brief PDF that they can print and read quickly is a good lead magnet. The second essential element is the headline. The title can simply be the benefit that the prospect will get from the lead magnet. The headline should make it clear what the person will get from reading the lead magnet. The more clear you are, the better your results. The third essential element is to create bullets and benefits that gives them an overview of what's contained in the lead magnet. It actually takes the headline and makes it more specific about what's exactly contained in the lead magnet. What information are they going to get? For example, it should be how to, whatever the feature is, and what is the benefit to them. Like how to create a lead capture page that actually gets people to sign up so that you can grow your business daily. Just 3 well-written bullet points can increase your conversion rate on your capture page. And the 4th and last essential element is the call to action. And it's one of the most important parts and elements of a lead capture page. Your call to action tells the prospect exactly what you want them to do. And I can tell you, if you do not tell your prospect exactly what to do, then they will not take the action that you want. They will actually do nothing. So words like subscribe now are important. enter your name and email to receive your ebook is a great call to action. A button that says get instant access can work wonders to get someone to click the link so that they can submit their contact information. So this is Daryl Smith. Those are the 4 essential elements of a lead capture page. And that's this week's marketing tip. So make sure that you like this video, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my weekly marketing tips. And if you want access to some done-for-you lead capture pages, check the links that I put in the description. This is Daryl Smith. Again, thanks for watching my weekly marketing tip, and I'll see you in next week's marketing tip.